For nearly 5 decades, Voyager 2 has drifted farther and farther into the endless black of space. Originally launched in 1977, it was never designed to survive this long, let alone continue transmitting data. And yet, this spacecraft, no bigger than a small car, still sends faint whispers through the darkness, echoing across billions of kilometers. Its latest transmission, however, wasn't just routine data, it was something utterly unexpected and perhaps even terrifying. What makes Voyager 2's journey even more extraordinary is how it got this far. A rare alignment of Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune allowed engineers to use gravity assists, slingshotting the craft from planet to planet. This was all based on a pencil and paper calculation done by a part-time NASA worker in the 1960s. The spacecraft, with only 69 kilobytes of memory, less than a single photo on your phone, was sent into the unknown, and it's still moving forward, powered by a tiny plutonium generator that fades slowly every year. In 2018, Voyager 2 crossed the heliopause, the edge of the Sun's influence, a boundary where the solar wind meets interstellar space. Voyager 1 had crossed this line in 2012, but Voyager 2's data was different. Instead of silence, it picked up chaotic magnetic pulses and strange waves of plasma. These were not normal fluctuations. Scientists expected a smooth transition, but what they saw was chaotic and unstable, like a storm front instead of a clean exit. The space beyond the heliopause turned out to be nothing like we imagined. Instead of an empty void, there were fluctuating radiation fields, ghost-like bursts of cosmic rays, and even stable plasma without any magnetic shift, something considered impossible by known physics. One NASA astrophysicist, Dr. Elena Cabello, said, "We expected emptiness, but found a living, breathing boundary. It's like nature is telling us we're missing something." To conserve power, engineers started shutting down Voyager's systems. The team assumed its cosmic ray detector would freeze without internal heat, but it didn't. It kept working, against all expectations, almost as if it was determined to reveal one last truth. And then came a signal, something unlike anything before. This signal wasn't random static or background interference. It was a clean 2.4-second repeating frequency spike, captured by Voyager's low-band sensor. It wasn't dust, it wasn't plasma, and it didn't match any natural source. The signal seemed deliberate, structured like a code. Inside the lab, some engineers were skeptical, but others whispered, it felt like a message. Scientists tried everything to match this 2.4-second spike to any known celestial event or technical glitch, but nothing fit. Dr. Michael Landa, a radio wave specialist, stated, "This wasn't just noise. It had a pattern. It was too clean, too specific. We've never seen anything like it in the history of deep space communication." Could Voyager 2 have brushed past an alien signal? Not necessarily from a spacecraft or creature, but maybe an energy field, or even a structure unknown to science. The cosmic fabric of the galaxy is full of dark matter, gravitational anomalies, and energies we can't yet measure. Perhaps the probe touched one of these threads, and it responded. The signal, lasting only a few seconds, was like a knock on a door that hasn't opened for billions of years. Scientists combed through decades of Voyager data, filtering every known radiation echo, but this pulse remains unique. "It's like hearing a single heartbeat in a completely silent room," said Dr. Yuki Nakahara, a space physicist from JWST. "You can't explain it, but you feel it's meaningful." This signal came from a region of space so cold and empty that heat becomes memory and silence becomes law. And yet, something spoke. It wasn't human. It wasn't a star. But it was real. Voyager 2 carries a golden record, a disc containing greetings, music, and images from Earth in 55 languages. This message from humanity has been floating through the cosmos for nearly half a century. Could something have found it? Could that brief signal be an acknowledgement, a reply? Scientists haven't confirmed any alien contact. Many call it a technical anomaly, a fluke. But others believe it was a first encounter of a different kind, not with life as we know it, but with a force or intelligence that exists in ways we can't yet imagine. Carl Sagan, who helped design the golden record, once said, "Somewhere, something incredible is waiting to be known." Maybe Voyager just brushed against that something. Voyager's data continues to challenge what we believe about the universe's boundaries. We once thought the heliosphere was a shield, a neat bubble protecting us. But now we know it's more like waves in the ocean, ever-shifting and unpredictable. Cosmic rays from ancient supernovae now pass freely through space, unfiltered and deadly. These aren't just energetic particles, they are life killers, capable of tearing apart DNA and shredding metal. And yet, even here, Voyager survives. Every signal it sends costs precious energy, yet it continues, like a message in a bottle drifting across a galactic sea. The spacecraft systems were built in the cassette tape era, and many of the engineers who made it are now gone. But their creation lives on, speaking from a place no other human-made object has ever reached. What Voyager 2 has shown us is not just scientific, it's deeply human. It's about curiosity, about reaching into the dark without knowing what's there. It's about asking questions with technology barely capable of whispering, and still being heard. As Dr. Angela Morris from ESA put it, Voyager is more than a probe. It's a dream that dared to leave home. We've sent newer probes since the 1970s, but none have gone as far or dared as much. Voyager continues not because of its hardware, but because of its mission, to explore, to discover, and to listen. That strange 2.4-second pulse might not be proof of aliens, but it's proof that the universe still holds secrets. Today, Voyager 2 drifts in a region where the sun no longer rules. It is a realm governed by interstellar forces, unknown fields, and possibly ancient energies. The rules here are different. The patterns in radiation, the strange bursts, and a unique frequency all suggest there's more to space than emptiness. Voyager has also taught us humility. Out here, humans are fragile, our biology unfit for the cosmic violence beyond our planet. And yet, through this machine, we touch the stars. Even if Voyager's power soon fails, it has already left its mark, not just in science, but in our imagination. As Voyager continues to send its final signals, we are left with more questions than answers. Was that pulse a glitch, a whisper from an alien force, or a new form of energy we've yet to define? Maybe it was all of these. Or maybe it was a reminder that we still know so little. Even as its systems go dark, Voyager will keep drifting, carrying our greetings to the stars, a testament to human curiosity. It has crossed into a realm where light fades, but mystery deepens. And in that vast unknown, something may have listened, something that whispered back. Subscribe to our channel and thanks for watching.